Today we're going to talk about how to set up attachments in EKW. On certain pages, such as when you're shipping or receiving, there are opportunities to take photos and attach them to either the shipment header, the PO receipt header, or the PO receipt line, and several other places where you can take those photos. So today I'm going to show you how to configure that in both Epicor and then on the handheld. So first of all, in Epicor, you must set up your attachment types. Once you have your attachment type set up, then you'll go on to your document type. Your attachment type might be something like your SharePoint, just a file transfer, or if you have DocStar or ECM, you might use that for your preferred attachment type. From there, we go into document type maintenance, and I'm going to create a new document. I'm just making a simple one. Right. And then I'm going to save that. So from here, I'm going to go to the handheld, where I'm going to go to my main menu. I'm going to go down to settings and proof of delivery. You must configure an image quality. 20 is the recommended. However, if you find that's not satisfactory, you may increase it. This is something that you can come back in and change. There's also a selection for file type. Make that selection. And then from here, for the documents that you plan to collect through the handheld for signature, where would you like these to be stored? I want mine stored in EKW. I'm going to collapse that. EKW. Just going to keep scrolling, and file documents will also be EKW. All right, now that I have that configured, I have the ability to go in and begin taking photos. So I'm going to go into a PO receipt. I'm going to go ahead and invent that pack slip number. And now I'm going to use this overflow right here to attach a file, a picture, or a signature. And then I'm just activating the camera on my device. It automatically popped up. The first time you do this, you might get a message asking if you are sure you want to allow the camera or EKW to have access to the camera. Pass through that message by saying yes, hit the check mark. And now I have an attachment on this pack slip 4528. So let's navigate to receipt entry. And double checking my handheld, yep, 4528 was my pack slip. So just going to select that, and you'll notice here at the top, this paper clip is indicating that we now have that attachment. And then you would be able to view or download from there. So that is how you set up attachments for EKW. And then in addition to taking photos and attaching them at the header of a PO, you could drill into the line of the PO and attach them in there as well. So anywhere you see attach file or attach picture or signature, that is going to call those proof of delivery POD attachment types through your settings. Again, going down to settings, and proof of delivery is the settings that we configured. First, we configured in Epicor the document type and the attachment type. We mapped it in Epicor, and then in EKW, and then we took our photo using the handheld. That's all. I'll see you guys in the next one.